Okay, everything, let's clarify the situation. Since day one, there has been a rumbling expectation that XRP hitting a monumental $10,000 was not only likely, but also a given. That forecast just received a massive boost. We are discussing nothing more than BlackRock's Larry Finn lending his support to this image, and he's not just talking about a pitiful $10,000 per XRP. Whoa, he's making it sound like a basic must. Before we dive right into today's programming, let's talk a little bit about Base. I need a small favor. To join our incredible community, click the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Imagine that financial titans like BlackRock and Vanguard are now seriously considering XRP for their international transactions. Hold on, things will get better. There have been murmurs about BlackRock. BlackRock is considering the release of an ETF that focuses on XRP. Yes, what you just heard is true, but there's more. Not content to stop there, Larry Fink is examining the massive $3 trillion real estate sector, and guess what lies at the core of its future? You guessed it. The International Swaps and Traders Association is scheduled to transfer a staggering $1.2 quadrillion through the XRP ledger and Ripple, preparing the XRP ledger to tokenize the entire system. We're not just talking about $10,000 per XRP, that's child's play. Potentially, the value of each XRP might soar to as high as $60,000. Now that we've reached this astounding point, let's move on to the next section. BlackRock's Larry Thinking unleashed another surprise. He's acting in addition to merely talking. Ripple is about to achieve something truly monumental with its digital asset, XRP, tokenizing everything, and we have a clip that will catch people's attention in the following section of our video. We won't have to wait much longer because Larry appears to be confirming BlackRock's approach to an XRP ETF. Here's the clip you've been waiting for. Anticipating the release of a Bitcoin ETF is one way we're legitimizing it and enhancing safety. Permit me to state this. Are you going to do another ETF? An XRP could be interesting. ETF, you have Ether out there, I know that. Consider XRP. Could you respond to that? You don't want me to, and I can't. I perform well. Please refrain from giving me the rap. I'm grateful. Recently, the cryptocurrency world has witnessed a flurry of unusual activities, particularly with the introduction of XRP to a well-known global exchange. The value of Crypto.com surged to an astounding $43,000. This is not a one-time occurrence. It's part of the expanding pattern in which XRP's value abruptly rises. Recall how we spoke about a $7,000 XRP error at a major trading platform. It was only last week, but now it's the turn of Crypto.com, and it seems that these sudden spikes in the value of XRP are becoming commonplace across several platforms. However, let's shift our focus entirely to something else, something I unearthed through extensive research that is equally fascinating but unrelated to BlackRock or the general market surge. We're going to talk about Gary Gensler, the well-known SEC chairman who succeeded Jake Clinton and, as most of you may know, consistently classifies XRP as a security. This is the intriguing part. Robert M. Gensler, Gary's brother, is astonishingly similar in age to Gary. At T-Price, Robert is an important person. Robert holds the position of vice president at T-Price during this period. If you look a bit closer, you'll discover that TR Pricing isn't just any investing organization. It is one of the main players, with significant holdings in XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Thus, this has an interesting connection, as the SEC's Gary Gensler continues to designate XRP as a security. Gary Gensler's twin brother has a significant stake in a company that invests heavily in RP and other cryptocurrencies. This leads us to an intriguing potential in the fascinating twos, which raises several issues regarding the complex forces at work in the realm of cryptocurrency legislation and investments. Could the firm have substantial holdings in all three cryptocurrencies, and Vice President of TR Price Robert Gensler has exclusive knowledge of XRP's potential to be similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum? This theory gains traction when you take into account the SEC's public denial that insider trading has occurred. Investigations into insider trading and market manipulation have frequently exposed the SEC's questionable practices, despite numerous studies and reports suggesting otherwise. Rising SEC officials appear to be informing their family members about the potential liberation of digital assets from securities classification. These relatives then make early investments in these assets, and when the asset is formally deemed not a security, its value soars, making these family members and friends extremely wealthy due to their ability to buy low and sell high. Let's examine the probability that Robert and Gendler may have acquired inside information about the SEC's possible loss in a lawsuit against XRP from his brother Gary Gendler. Congress might push for a settlement based on such information. Congress could potentially push for a settlement between the SEC and Ripple Labs. At this time, savvy investors have a great opportunity to invest in XRP, but observing how money is diverting from XRP into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrency projects adds another twist to the story. The cryptocurrency community is abuzz with talk of XRP possibly hitting $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000, especially from analysts like Jack who have been bullish on the asset. The Rippler forecasts a sharp increase in value that could eclipse $589. Despite being audacious, this forecast highlights the increased interest in and discussion about XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency space. Wall Street is trying to get a piece of the profitable XRP pie, and I feel like the first big play will be through an XRP ETF. But let's look deeper than this development. Crypt Basic has some intriguing news to share. An analyst is speculating that JP Morgan has made a significant move into XRP, and this has attracted the attention of a former Ripple director. This revelation definitely raised some eyebrows, and we need to investigate it. This is how the story goes. Ben Armstrong, a prominent figure in the cryptosphere, addressed the controversial claims made by CLS regarding JP Morgan's alleged investment in XRP. Armstrong was previously associated with the BitBoy cryptocurrency brand. Armstrong claims that JP Morgan has acquired a substantial 7.5 million XRP tokens. He continues by saying that this equals roughly 7.5% of JP Morgan's overall fortune, but hold on, the math in this assertion looks wildly incorrect. 7.5 million XRP, at its present 4.46 million price, is not even close to 7.5% of JP Morgan's wealth, given that JP Morgan's total assets, as of its 2023 valuation, are a whopping $3.89 trillion. Despite this, Armstrong's calculation doesn't quite add up. Armstrong highlights the importance of JP Morgan's purported strategy, which suggests we have a story about Wall Street titans like JP Morgan potentially making moves in the crypto scene, particularly with XRP. Although the calculations may be slightly off, the idea of major financial institutions entering the space is worth considering. He claims that they are quietly stockpiling XRP, positioning JP Morgan as an emerging powerhouse in the world of cryptocurrency. This suggests a broader pattern of traditional banking interacting with the world of digital currencies, along with some intriguing developments in Armstrong's claims. Additionally, bold remarks have brought attention to BlackRock, the asset management titan. He's moving the pot around. Rumors are circulating that BlackRock is just getting clearance for its shares of Bitcoin, and it is reportedly considering investing in XRP. Portfolio after that, Armstrong continued. He is also concentrating on the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the US SEC, closely observing the involvement of these financial behemoths. The point is, while the ongoing legal saga suggests a strong belief in XRP's promising future, what if this accumulation pattern turns out to be real? That would mean that major financial players are placing bets on XRP despite its regulatory roller coaster. Wall Street's adoption of cryptocurrency was always imminent. I've been discussing this for more than 5 years, but at the time it seemed like a pipe dream. However, given where Bitcoin is today and how you would assume XRP won't follow suit, I would have to disagree politely. It's not a question of if, but when, depending on the circumstances. Armstrong's artwork may not be the complete story, but notice how the plot develops in response to Armstrong's shocking assertions. Former Ripple director Matt Hamilton added a healthy dose of skepticism, questioning the legitimacy of such a purchase and what effect it would truly have on XRP considering the token's enormous. Hamilton then consults the supply chart. With 100 billion XRP in existence, 7.5 million XRP represents just 0.075% of what we're talking about. Even Hamilton joked, "I'm assuming that this is a spoof of Armstrong's claims." It's a cheesy gesture to how frequently fanciful Armstrong's remarks are, implying that you almost need a comedic lens to make sense of it all. Since the math really speaks for itself, let's dissect it. Hamilton was spot on with the numbers, highlighting the blatant errors in the initial assertion. Even though it's obvious that the numbers don't add up, this gave me pause. Where did this bizarre tale even start? Now that I've done some research and discovered the source, which is a big one, you know that it's important to remain astute and perceptive in the convoluted and frequently ambiguous world of cryptocurrency reporting, and that I'm always here to assist. You use the genuine scoop to navigate these turbulent waters. Remember, I am not a certified financial advisor and the content in these videos is solely for your entertainment. I always suggest viewers do their own research and speak with experts before making any financial decisions. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please click the like button and remember to enable the alerts so you can be the first to know when I upload new content. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Be careful.